I think what I was talking about, the emotional part and the cleaving apart, like a lot of people, when they come to me, they just want a food plan and an exercise plan. They come for the vanity and they stay for the sanity, right? They come because they think they need to lose weight, but this is all about the brain chemicals. This is all about the dopamine, the serotonin. I mean, they literally have SSRIs, serotonin, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors or whatever. These are chemicals that psychiatrists prescribe to try and make you feel better about yourself, right? Well, we're self-medicating with 20, 30, 40 teaspoons a day of this stuff. And basically the dose makes the poison. So what I want folks to know is I want them to know this new science, okay? This new science of brain rewards. And that when you're thinking about a sweet treat, you're not really thinking about a sweet treat. You're craving a dopamine hit. And the brain does not care. The brain will go to illicit sex, gambling. It will do anything to get its dopamine hit. It doesn't discriminate, okay? And when you've trained yourself since you were a child, probably your parents trained you, and in the womb, that when you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed or sad or hurt, I mean, when was the last time you saw a movie where a girl broke up with someone and didn't have an ice cream party, right? It's kind of a cultural norm. And so, like, until people realize that getting off sugar is only about 10% about the food and 90% about how they react psychoactively, how their emotions are modified and managed by sugar, that's how they succeed. That's how they're going to win this game, okay? So yeah, I mean, one of the things we find too is the folks who succeed are a little bit of pioneers, like the people that do intermittent fasting. It's kind of a new thing. It's not, the science is still developing, but they've done their research. They've actually tried it on their own body a little bit. Maybe they need a little help, right? So if those folks are in your audience, they think they're a little bit rebels. They're not afraid to say, the hell with you, I'm going to try this kind of thing. Those are the people that succeed. And hopefully, as they succeed, they call them early adopters. As those people succeed, then more people will get the message. So.